Hi, I'm Tim Ridenour, and today I'm doing the 25 Krispy Kreme Donut Challenge. This challenge was invented by In Jaws We Trust. As far as I know, he was the first one to attempt it. And he actually put this as a challenge to all of his viewers. And I decided, why not give it a try? I'm a big fan of his stuff. Matter of fact, if you haven't ever seen any of his stuff, click on the link right here. It'll take you over to his channel. You can check out his videos. He hasn't posted his donut challenge video yet for the 25 donuts, his latest one. Once he does, I'll put a link in the description for that also. So yeah, like I said, it's 25 donuts. There is no time limit on this. It's just whoever can get it done the quickest. So my goal is just to beat In Jaws We Trust. I have my timer right here. There's 12. All right, that'd be 24. That's 25. All right, can't use any competitive eating tricks. That's one of the reasons I like this one. There's no crushing of donuts, no dunking. You're allowed any type of liquid you want. You know me, I'm trying this with no liquid. I'm a little worried about this because I had trouble with the 12 donuts. And this is a lot more. But you know what, we're going to see what we can do. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. Well, I gave you another bite. Didn't do too bad. Okay, giving up with only 4 left, but I was able to hold this down. All right. Well, go check In Jaws We Trust's version of this once it's up. Let me know I sent you. Until next week, have a good day. Bye.